Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to explain how you can insert a 3D sphere into your drawings on LibreOffice Draw in 2026. So let us dive into this. So let me navigate to that project here in LibreOffice Draw and add a new page. And here guys, so what you will need to do is select the 3D object tool at the very bottom of the toolbar, click into the drop-down menu, and switch from the cube to the sphere. Position it on your canvas like you would do with circles, triangles, ellipses, rectangles. Release your left mouse. That's it. Switch back to the select tool in the top left. And now you can, for example, resize the dimensions of or change the dimensions of the 3D sphere. And so on and so forth. If you click into these markers here, they will change their color to red, which will give you the opportunity, for example, to rotate the 3D object if you hover your mouse over the given marker and press left on your left mouse and use it to rotate the sphere, which doesn't make any sense because a sphere rotating a sphere doesn't make any sense. So you can use these handles here to resize the sphere and so on and so forth, guys. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.